Yeah. I got.
Because of amount to water, right?
Oh yeah.
I thought it was forced, but
We have been going to Acadia National Park on Mount Desert Island in Maine since 1988. Once we get settled into our room, we usually head into Bar Harbor for dinner and a stroll on the shore walk.
oh my god.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
This is the latest time of year that we have ever gone. It's also the first time that we could not do our shore walk because of storm damage. We went anyway, there was nobody around. Repairs have begun. This is what it's supposed to look like. Hi. Beautiful day. Hi guys. Oh yeah. Hello. At the end of the day, we like to walk around Bar Harbor. It was low tide, so we were able to walk over to Bar Island. (1926).
You're on camera.
Upper Hemlock Pond.
(1925). (1924). 100 years old.